Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it's a study vlog once again. So on this day I tried to wake up at 4 a.m. after months. I stopped waking up at 4 because I was having a very bad migraine issues, but as we all know that boards are coming very soon, so I might need to get a little more serious about my studies. So I tried to wake up at 4 a.m. So I woke up at 4 in the morning, and after waking up I just made myself some tea, prepared a to-do list, and I started with the first session of the day. So I started with molecular basis of inheritance chapter. So we all know that it is a very vast chapter. So my target is to get done with most of the chapter. I know that I will not be able to do the entire chapter, but just to get done with most of it. So I am just reading my notes and reading NCERT as well, and I am adding the extra points which are given in my notes but not given in NCERT.
Now it's never too much, because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, simmer. Comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight, ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that, ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts are best when last. Or your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby, oh. One shoe, if I can get enough. Spill twice, never wipe it up. Pump the brakes and let these walls sip fast if you're feeling numb. 10 spins to your own drum. Exciting with the sweetest cup. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
So it's 7 a.m. right now, and I've studied for like 2.5 hours, and I'm done with more than half of the chapter. So now I will be taking a break in which I will just have bath and have my breakfast, and after that I will start with this chapter again. I guess it will require me more like 2 to 3 hours to get done with this chapter. So after that I just took a break in which I have a bath and do all that stuff, and also prepared coffee as well.
Cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to turn saltine and ginger ale. That shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because
So some part of this chapter, so I've studied for almost like 3 hours and 15 minutes, and some part of this chapter is still left. I will continue with this tomorrow, and now I will be taking a 15 minutes break, and then I will start with organic chemistry. So that 15 minutes break turned out to be the break of half hour. So this is what happens every time when I take a break. So right here I am revising the short notes of the chapter alcohol. So we all know that these organic chapters have a lot of reagents and reactions that we need to learn. So right here I am just video calling one of my friend, and we are both just making some tricks to learn all the reactions and reagents. So to be very honest, it have required us a lot of time to make those tricks and all, but I guess at the end it is going to be worth it because it is much easier to learn with tricks.
shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
studied for almost like 5 hours and 40 minutes, and it's 15 minutes to 1 p.m. and I'm done with alcohol. So now I will be taking a nap and then I will be continuing with current electricity at 2 p.m. So after taking a nap, I started with alcohol again because some part of it is left. So I started with alcohol at around 1:45. I took a very short nap. So my plan was to start with current electricity by 2 p.m. but we have changed the plan and I started with phenol chapter because I just want to get done with all this alcohol phenol chapter today.
Name's been on my tongue, my cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls, and baby, let's settle up. Cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to talk.
So after that I just took a break because I started having a very bad headache. So it's almost like 5:30 right now and I'm just done with the break, and right now I'm having a very bad headache. Last night I slept very late. I only slept for like 4 hours or maybe less than that. So that's maybe the reason of a headache. So now I will try to attend my classes. So because of headache I took a break for additional half hour and then I started with my classes again. So by this time I was just forcing myself to attend classes because I said I have headache because I slept very late last night, and I also have migraine issues, and because of that my headaches are really bad. So after biology class I started with the chemistry class of P block elements.
It's never too much, because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
So I was not able to get done with my chemistry class. 15 to 20 minutes class was still left, but my headache was getting very bad, so I just stopped watching the lecture. So on this day I was able to study for 9 hours only. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I will see you guys in a new video very soon.